Hey everybody, how are you doing today? This is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central. Today we are at Florida Modular Homes in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we are going to be touring this model called the Azalea. That's correct, this is the Azalea. It's by Franklin Home Builders. Now before we start this tour, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. My name is Steven. I do mobile home tours and general manufactured home information videos. And if you like this video at any time or at the end of the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It will definitely help with the algorithm of this YouTube channel. And please feel free to drop a comment below. Now as you can see right here, this is a rear elevation of the home. Just want to get you guys a good feel for the rear elevation before we go inside. So without further ado, let's go around to the front of the home so we can get this tour started. Okay, before we walk inside, here's the front porch and the disclaimer. A real quick disclaimer before starting the walkthrough tour. I do not work for the dealer or the manufacturer of this home. I'm doing this walkthrough tour solely based upon my personal opinion and perspective of this home. If you have any additional questions about final pricing or specifications for this manufactured home, both the dealer and manufacturer's website links and info will always be down in the description box. With that being said, let's continue the walkthrough mobile home house tour video. Okay, so here's your front entry. So this is how it looks when you walk inside the Azalea. Now this home is 2,040 square feet of living space. This is a living room. It's nice and beautifully decorated. This is an open concept floor plan, for those of you that like open concept. And over here here is the dining room with that beautiful chandelier. This home is very nicely decorated. And here's your kitchen. You have your farmhouse style sink. You have nice big windows inside the kitchen, which is very nice. Love the wood floors. You have your stainless steel appliance package. And you have pendant lights in the ceiling. And as well as your can lights or recess lights. You have your window above the kitchen sink, which is also an extra plus. Have your beautiful center island. And you actually have a bar right here where you can sit, where you can put bar stools. Now I actually sat right there, so it definitely gave me a really good feel for the kitchen area. It's your beautiful dining room again. What I love about this home, it has lots and lots of natural light. So in the daytime, you can definitely save a lot on your energy bill. Here's another good walk through the living room. Right there you have a beautiful stained glass door. And you have your beautiful drapes right here. Now another thing is, as far as the draperies in the home, the drapes are actually included with the home. As far as, when you order the home from the factory or from the builders, you get to choose your flooring options and the color options and that kind of thing. So, it's a good option right there. But right here, this is guest bedroom number 1. You can use this as an office, or if you have children, maybe you could, if you have a little one, you can use this as their playroom or or maybe a man cave if you're, if your husband needs a space, to get away, or, something like that. Use it for a man cave, or, whatever you want to do. Okay, as you can see here, you have your closet space. What I love about Franklin, they actually put wooden shelves in their closet. That's not, now I have some people that call me, it's like, oh, I don't like the wire shelving, but for those of you that like wooden shelves in your home, there you go. Okay, so here's your guest bathroom. You have your transom window above the tub and shower combo. Again, lots of natural light. You have your sink right there, and it has the countertop that matches the countertop in the kitchen. You have your tub and shower combo. Now I actually like this tub. It's actually in shape of a garden tub, so it's a very, very attractive touch. And of course you have your commode. Alright, so here is guest bedroom number 2. Again, you can use this space for whatever you want to use it for. I'd probably use it probably as a guest bedroom, or a mother-in-law suite. So it's whatever you want to use it for. That's just what I would use it for. So right, it's your closet space. Now another thing I forgot to mention, I don't know if you noticed the doors or not, but they actually have like it has a type of, I forgot the name for it, but it has like this special type of molding on the doors, so like the groove in the doors. But I love the patterns. It's very nice and it's very custom. Okay, it's another good look of the room right here. Okay, so here's your utility room. It's your back door. You have a place where you can put like laundry detergent, and there's a place that you can hang your clothing. So that was your washer and dryer hookup over there. Okay, here's your water heater access. I think that's like a 40-gallon water heater. Looks pretty big though. Lots and lots of hot water. And here's your central heat and air closet for your central air conditioning and heater. And right here, you would have your walk-in pantry. Now again, you have the wooden shelving right here. Lots of wood shelves. Another good look at your utility room. And you also have an attic access up there in your utility room, which is very nice. Okay, so here's your master bedroom. A really, really big master bedroom. You have 2 windows over there. You could probably put your bed along that wall, or you could put your bed along the wall where I was walking from, or along the opposite side. It's whatever you want to do. I'll probably put my bed between the windows. Okay, as you can see, the home has the air ducts in the ceilings throughout the entire home, which is also nice. You have the custom drapes that are included with the home, so it's another good look at your bedroom. And here is your master bathroom. Now guys, let me tell you, the moment I walked into this bathroom, it was like walking into a spa. I felt like I was in a 5-star spa. It was that nice. And here's your water closet or your commode closet. So it's a space right there. You can go in there and do whatever you need to do, and then shut the door and call it a day. Right here you have storage. You can never have too much storage in your house. Over here you have your double sinks, and then you have the cabinet between the two mirrors, which is very nice. They probably function as like a medicine cabinet, so I would, in my, you know, from what I saw. So, but you know, it's a very nice touch though to have that there as an option. Now I love the wood frame around the mirrors as well. So, okay, so here's your shower. Now this shower is drop dead gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. You have your Rainmaker shower head. You have your recessed light. And you also have your handheld wand as well. And I love the the black stones on the floor, which is very, very nice. Very, very attractive look. And then again, you have your bench right there where you can sit down and do whatever you need to do. Again, you have your wand. You even have a place to put your toiletries right there and the cutout. It's very, very nice. It felt very rich. Okay, so here's your master closet. You have your window in the master closet. Again, you have the built-in shelving right there on one side of the closet. And you have built-in shelving on the other side of the closet. I love this. I love these features. And of course it has the air vents and the lighting as well. So this is a very nice touch. It has lots and lots of storage space. Another good look at your bathroom. Well, alright you guys, so that will conclude the tour for this home. If you've liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Steven. I do mobile home tours and general manufactured home information videos. And also a special shout out to Di Raymond. He also does mobile home tours as well. I definitely encourage you to go over to his channel and subscribe. You will not be disappointed. So a special shout out to DIY Raymond. Well, this is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central, your central source for mobile home tours and more.